All right, if I'm given a percent proportion and I'm given the, the known of 12 over 20, and I need to find 2%, well, we know 1 is always going to be 100 because the whole for a percentage is always 100. And if we're looking for this percentage, we don't know what this percentage is. If we're given 12, if we got 12 out of 20 questions right on a test, what's our percentage we're going to make? Well, again, we look for relationships and ways to reduce. So, cover it up. 12 over 20. Is there a way to reduce that? Sure there is, because 12 and 20 have a common factor of at least 2. But in this case, it's 4. And then we can also look right here to see if there's a way to go from 20 to 100. So we're going to solve it both ways. If I reduce 12 over 20 by 4, I'm going to get 3/5. And so if I use 3/5 to get my x over my percentage of 100, I'm looking for that percentage. Well, what do I have to do to 5 to get 100? Well, times 20. So what do I have to do here? Times 20. Well, 3 times 20 is 60, so it's 60%. Let's do it using the relationship. So is there something I can do to 20 to get 100? Absolutely. Times 5. 20 times 5 is 100. So whatever I do at the denominator, I do it to the numerator. And 12 times 5 equals 60. So we have 60% either way I solve it. The thing you need to remember that's most important that sometimes we forget is that, yes, the problem gives you this and you go, well, I only can have one x, I can't have two x's. But when you're working with a percent proportion, you know that this is always 100. So you're always putting 100 as the whole, no matter where it is in the problem. If it's part of the known, then it'll go right here. If it's part of the unknown, then it'll go right here. But it doesn't matter. 100% is always the whole when you're dealing with percentages. Only percentages.